What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. As I'm recording this video today, I figured 2025 is coming to a close, guys. It's almost 2026, and it's time to get your New Year's resolutions in. What do you expect in the new year? I know for Whitley Auto Works, I want to bring you guys much better content. Obviously, the spray outs have kind of helped me over a lot this year. I've had a lot going on, from moving and just setting up. I turned 40 yesterday, so it was my birthday, so I celebrated that with family, and just a lot of reflection, especially when you hit a milestone like 40. And I know some of you guys are going to say, man, that's young, and then other you guys are going to say, man, I don't know what I'll be doing when I get to 40, but man, it goes by a lot quicker than you think, guys. And I'm sure as you get even older, because I know a majority of my subscribers, you're probably like my father's age, closer to your 60s and 70s, and man, it does. It goes by quick, and you just have to enjoy it for what it is. You know, make some good memories, and you know, that's kind of what today's all about, guys. I wanted to go through pretty much the top 5 favorite spray outs of 2025 and stuff we've done. We've done so much of it. We've got into the candies really hard this year, and we'll be doing more of that next year. Currently, I'm letting some Bondos set up on a subscriber's truck that I'll be showing you guys soon. Everybody knows the subscriber's name because I mentioned him a ton of times on this channel, Cisco. So yeah, he's got a little Nissan Frontier, and we're painting that a really cool, interesting color combination, so you're not going to miss that. So we're going to nail down the top 5 spray outs of 2025, so let's get into it. So obviously my top 5 has to include at least one paint job, and the paint job I started the whole year out with was my first paint job on the shop truck with the color shift graphics, the color shift two-tone. It was really cool. I fought a lot with the body on this truck because it was absolutely horrible. With the factory paint was pretty much dead, and that's why later on this year I actually ended up going back, stripping it down again and painting it again. Then we're going to do a lot more with this truck. Hopefully in 2026 it's going to probably get another paint job even crazier than the last. I know the second one was a little bit underwhelming compared to the first one, so we are going to revisit again in the near future. So that's number 5 on my list. So now let's jump into number 4. Alright guys, so number 4 of 2025 has to be my first candy spray out. The candy red over the black with the silver glitter and the gold glitter. A very cool experiment. Obviously you're supposed to sand the texture out of the glitter flake and everything before you add the candy layers, or you can do it after the fact. I've shown you guys both ways this year, but I just wanted to kind of get everybody into the candy concentrates of the limelight stuff, and you know, it was really cool spray out. Got a lot of views on that video, a lot of questions. I've had a lot of people ask for, you know, over silver and gold, and I'm like, well, that was the first one I did. So, but yeah, that was a really cool one, guys. So that's number 4 on my list, and yeah, let's keep on rolling. Let's get to number 3. So for number 3, I had to throw the candy root beer in there, guys. It was a very cool spray out. I added the Ken Gold to spice it up, and to get root beer with the limelight candy concentrates, you combine all 3, the red, the gold, and the blue. It was a great one. I've had a lot of other people ask me for more root beer spray out, so that's why I put it on the list, because in 2026 we're going to do a lot more root beer candies and a lot more with some of the black candy stuff to kind of do some more experiments, because those are probably my most clicked on and most requested of all of the colors that I haven't done and everything else. So very cool. And now let's jump to number 2. So for number 2, I know the candy purple spray out we just did the other day, but it turned out so good, and I'm usually not the biggest fan of purple, guys. And I know you couldn't tell that from my shop truck first paint job, but you know, it's just not my favorite color. It doesn't always get the most views on the channel for some reason, but a lot of people are asking for it, and I was pleasantly surprised, because I've had nothing but a train wreck with candy purple spray outs for some reason. That's my most unlucky spray out of all the different colors I've tried with stuff. I don't know why, but just, you know, I was really happy with that one. It turned out really good, and yeah, it was just a great spray out overall. So now it's time for my number 1, guys. This is my favorite one of 2025. Let me know what your top 5 are in the comments, and yeah, let's get into it. So that is my number one today, guys, the Phalanx electric spray gun candy paint job spray out. For many reasons, that's my number one of 2025 because nobody else on YouTube had attempted it when I did it, especially through an electric spray gun. And I've seen so many automotive painters that would have knocked and laughed electric spray guns out of the building this year, pick one up in their shops and do spray outs, and even one that went viral this year, guys. And it just goes to show the impact that you guys have when we start doing stuff on YouTube. You know, it's taking all the stuff that used to be taboo and used to be looked at as, you know, stupid or whatever else, and it's bringing it into the spotlight and making it okay and normal to go outside of the box and try new things. You know, I've even seen people online that are automotive painters that have never picked up a Rust-Oleum spray can on their videos, and they picked it up for the first time and used it because we've made such an impact with Rust-Oleum. So it's really, really crazy to see, and you know, I hope to see more of that in 2026. I hope to see all this, you shouldn't use that stuff, that's stupid, that's not, you know, I hope to see a lot of that go away, and a lot of people to kind of open their minds a little more and try new things, and it just makes the whole industry fun when it comes to custom painting, and that's what I'm trying to do. I've done automotive paint off and on for 23 plus years, guys, and I've done the do-it-yourself stuff as well. So I've dabbled in both worlds. I'm a part of both worlds, but you know, for my YouTube channel primarily, I want to see you guys have fun on a budget and just kind of show you guys crazy color combinations. And if you decide to go out and use Rust-Oleum, that's great. If you want to use all automotive stuff and do it that way, that's great. However you guys are comfortable learning and moving forward is the way you should go about it, guys. You know, that's not up for me to decide. I just want to show you guys what you can do with paint in general and let you guys go out and try it, and I'll help you guys any way possible. So as always, guys, please leave me a like and leave me a comment. Let me know what your top 5 were of Whitley Auto Works this year. And without you guys, I couldn't continue to do this. We started this year probably around 10,000 subscribers, and I had no idea I'd ever get there. And now we're at over 30,000 subscribers, and it's all because you guys continue to watch and support Whitley Auto Works. And I'll continue to do it as long as I'm possible, guys. So definitely, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you're interested in anything you saw in this video, drop me a comment. I'll help you out and include links any way possible, and just continue to help you guys out into 2026. So I hope you guys had a wonderful Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have a Happy New Year. And as always, guys, I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of Whitley Auto Works.